The Detox Diet. The rising numbers of celebrities who have extolled the virtues of the detox diet have certainly increased the public's interest to the said diet program. Stunning stars such as Carol Volderman and Kim Wilde have certainly contributed to the rising fame of detoxification diets and shifted the limelight from the other equally popular diet courses. Among the guarantees of the detox diet program is losing a few pounds in just 10 days, improving skin condition, eliminating bloating, and beating cellulite effectively. No wonder that aside from endorsements from top celebrities, people are making a quick change from their old diet programs to the new detoxification diet system. Strong advocates of the detox diet claim that because of the alarming amount of toxic waste our body absorbs every day, there is a more pressing need to incorporate detoxification processes as part of our lifestyle. Accumulation of toxic waste materials in our body can trigger a lot of health complications that includes fatigue, bloating, lowered immunity, aches and pains. With the detoxification diet, a person can certainly have an efficient solution to the overloaded toxic residues in their body. Under the Detox Diet program, a person is encouraged to eat more fruits and raw vegetables and general avoidance of meat products, wheat, caffeine and alcohol, processed foods, and dairy products. Aside from the detox diet, there are a lot of holistic detoxification programs that abound today, such as saunas, body massages, acupuncture and acupressure procedures. But what is really the real score behind all the media hype? According to health experts, there are no scientific evidence that can directly indicate that our bodies would need extra help to eliminate the harmful toxins. Each of us are endowed with organs of eliminations, such as the kidney, to effectively flush out the wastes of the body on a daily basis. Aside from this, experts have advised that the detox diet programs should not be undertaken for extended periods of time since it falls short from the daily recommended dietary requirement for each person. Calcium is particularly absent in most detox diet programs, which means people under the detox diet are actually at risk of possible calcium deficiency ailments such as osteoporosis and fragile teeth. However, it is an established fact that under the detox diet program, a person will definitely shed a few pounds. This is mainly due to the verity that almost all major food groups are practically excluded from the dietary program. The best thing to do is not to fully adapt the detox diet. You can probably undergo through a detoxification for 2 to 3 days to cleanse your system on a monthly basis.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.